Have you ever been scrolling on Instagram and seen all these animated posts there and thought to yourself, I wish I could create something like that? Hi, I am PixelPia, and today I'm going to show you exactly how you can do that using Canva. And we're going to create something like this. So here is what I created. I have added an element. I have created this photo, and if you're interested in me doing a tutorial about how to do that, just let me know in the comments down below. And then I added some text that I curved. So we start by going to social media. I chose Instagram, and here they have animated Instagram posts, and I'm gonna start by creating a blank. The first thing I want to do is to add the background color, and I choose one from my brand kit. And then we're gonna add my photo, and as I said, I created this earlier today and I have uploaded to Canva. Let's see a good size of that. Now I need to add a shadow, so I chose my photo, I go to edit image and shadows, and in this case I'm gonna use a backdrop. If I click on backdrop again, I can change angles of the shadow. Maybe that looks better. Make it a little bit darker and increase the blur a little bit. Now I hit apply. I can do my animation in two ways. I can either animate each part by itself, which I prefer, but I will show you how to animate the whole thing as one. I want to add an animation to my photo. Here I click animate, and here we have photo animations. So let's try pop. Pop requires a paid version, as you can see with a little crown here, but there are others that works nicely. Let's choose the photo rise here. Let's preview. That looks good. Okay, my next step is to add an element, and I just wrote music notes. If you're working in the free version, you can put free here as one of your filters, and it will only show free versions. Maybe that looks good. I think the color is a little dark on it, so let's see if we can change it to lighter gray instead. And now I want to add an animation of this one as well. Tumble in like that. One thing left to do, and that is to add some text. Animated Instagram post. Let's move it up to the top here. Change the color. We might have to change that later on after we add the effect. I go to effects up here, choose curve. And down under shapes here you can choose how much it should curve by just dragging this. 100 is a full circle, 0 is a straight line, and if you go down to the negative you can curve it upwards. I think that is okay, so let's place that. And now I want to add an animation for my text as well, so I click animate, and as you can see it has changed up here to text animation. I usually like when I have text to use the typewriter, but now up here we can take a look. That looks pretty okay. 5 seconds might be a little long, so by clicking on the timer up here to the left of our image, we can change the time. Let's see how it looks with 2.5 seconds. All I have to do is download, or if you have your Instagram connected, you can go straight from here. In this case, I'm gonna download it to my local computer, and you can choose an MP4 or a GIF. I will download this as an MP4. I also wanted to show you how you can do the same thing and animate the whole picture. So let's quickly do the same maneuver we just did. Now I can choose animate and choose the whole page. If I choose something like tumble here, for example, the different elements of my photo will pop up. Let's take a look. So I hope this inspires you to try to do animated Instagram posts. On Mondays, you are welcome at 10 p.m. Central Standard Time to my live stream, where I also do a tutorial each week. Down in the description, I have a link where you can try Canva Pro free for 30 days. And if you like this video, I think you might like the video that will pop up on the screen here. Hej då!